Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today we are going to read about your chapter number 8, that is verbs. Doing or action words are known as verbs. Verbs are the words that describe an action, state, or a position, or the verb is an integral part of every sentence. Some examples are there. See the highlighted words. Meda often listened to songs by Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. It's an action. Sumo wrestling originated in ancient Japan. It is also action. Vishwamitra was the first sage to understand the meaning of Gayatri month, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India, state of being. Now example, exercise A, the words are given here. First sentence is the Chandrayaan 1 was India's first lunar probe. Second, Narayan Karthikeyan is the first Indian car racer who participated in the Formula 1 motor racing. A mermaid is an imaginary creature that has the head and upper body of human and tails of a fish. It make good and etiquette to compliment the host on the food. Sanskriti drew the diagram of a volcano in her notebook. The stationery shop in the neighborhood sells items like pens, pencils, erasers, notebooks, and so on. Shekhar and Suman are identical twins. Jolly smelled smelled the flower, but a bee hiding among hiding among the flowers stung him on his nose. You can make a call using my phone. Jenny's behavior annoys me. Vidhi lives in Iceland. Rajveer accompanied me. ACCOMPANED accompanied me. Abhi talks very politely with everybody. Salman has limousine, and Huma was so angry that she left the room in a huff. Then transitive and intransitive verb. Exercise B. Fill in the blank with verbs and write TV on transitive verb and IV on intransitive verb. Hungry's Jack's sells, SELLS sells. It is the cheese macaroni in town. Noun, it is transitive verb. Betty paints, PAINTS, paints pictures of people. It is transitive verb. John works. It is also transitive verb. Fourth one, he bought a present for her on her birthday. IV. Intransitive verb. I like his courage. He is too brave. It is also intransitive verb. Can you lend me your history notebook for a day? It is transitive verb. Seventh, the baby was crying uncontrollably. Varun, it is intransitive verb. Varun parked the car in the vacant parking space. It is transitive verb and the word is parked. Malika cannot come. It is intransitive verb. And Chitra and Jajit sang. It is intransitive verb. Now form of verb, first form, second form and the third form. These are the words be, am, is, are, beat, become, begin, bet, blow. Was, were, beat, become, began, begin, began, begun. Become will be the same, beaten, and bet, blow, blown. So these are the words which you have to learn. Read it very carefully, learn this. So now we will move to our exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb in the past tense. The first one is given the lived. We have to write the lived. Then go will be went. Begin will be began. Then finally God came to surface and asked her what she wants. I want a cow, said the woman. Said the woman. The next moment there was a cow standing beside her. The woman was thrilled. She began singing another song at the end of the singing, and every time she stopped, stopped for breath, there would be another cow on the beach. The beach was small, and so as the number of cows started growing, it started getting crowded. Finally, there was just enough room for her to stand. Yet the woman was not satisfied. There was a large rock at her feet. She felt that if she removed the rock, there would be sufficient place for one more cow. So she picked it up and, summoning all her strength, threw into the sea. Unfortunately for her, Neptune himself was coming to the surface at that moment to bestow his blessings on his devotee. The rock hit him on the head. The god was so angry that he dived back into the water. Taking with him all the cows he had given the woman. Now you have to rewrite these sentences. Rewrite this sentence in the past. We took cells, sold, the workers found, Shikha put flew, swam, grew, drove, now we will move to exercise F. If we have two, an anagram is there. First one is given writing. Baking. So fill in the blanks with gerund, participle and infinitive verbs. So first one is given here, to apply. It is impossible to live. Then listening, burning, then being, then speaking, then increasing, and writing. So that's all for today's session. Student, read this chapter, follow this video, We will meet in our next session with new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.